good way to develop the open double stroke roll at low volumes is to use the exercise Digi Digi Bap Bap, but this time we're going to double the roll speed. So the original exercise is Digi Digi Bap Bap, and then when we do the roll we halve those single strokes and use the double stroke to create the same number of beats. But this time we're going to keep the wrist strokes the same and effectively double the speed of the roll. So that's how we're going to play it. So let's just do that now. Okay. We can use the same principle for Digi Digi Drrrrrr. We're going to use the same speed of single strokes, but we're going to double the amount of wrist strokes in the roll. And of course, we're not doing the 9-beat roll in this situation on the end. So now we've developed the multi-bounce roll at a quieter volume, a lower stick height, we can use the exercise Digi Digi Bap Bap to develop it further. Now this exercise will be more appropriately called Durgh Urgh Bap Bap, because we're just using 2 wrist strokes. So we'll start on the one hand and then we'll move to the other. Okay. So then we're going to move on to Digi Digi Drrrrrr. Same principle, and this time we will do the 9 count roll on the end of each hand. So it would also be a good idea to do the triplet stroke roll as well, using the multi-bounce technique. Today